Welcome to the Transcelerate Pharmacovigilance Agreements Optimization Table of Contents solution. In this video, we will explain how the table of contents can be used and provide some background on how it was created. The table of contents solution offers a framework of modules, headings, points to consider, and regulatory references in relation to pharmacovigilance exchange of information and obligations between parties. Hello, my name is Melinda Moriarty, and I am an Associate Director in External Collaborations at Eli Lilly and Company. I was a member of the team that developed the table of contents. Today, I will provide an overview and tour of the solution, as well as discuss what prompted us to create the table of contents. First, I'd like to provide some background information regarding the challenges we face with PV agreements and the rationale for creation of the tools. There are many challenges across the PVA lifecycle. For example, ambiguous contractual terms and definitions can lead to compliance issues. Also, the complexity of PVA structures and content can lead to challenges in reviewing and negotiating agreement provisions and clauses. Because of these difficulties, PVA development often involves lengthy negotiation periods and contractual maintenance discussions that may lead to delays and potentially strain business relationships. This table of contents solution was developed to potentially reduce negotiation time by facilitating the review process. The table of contents was created beginning with the review and groupings of hundreds of PVA template headings from multiple member companies. Through extensive collaboration, this comprehensive and flexible framework was created to support the development of PVAs. The table of contents is organized into 4 modules. Module 1, Background, addresses several topics which can be in the main agreement and the PVA or just the main agreement, such as terms of agreement, legal sections, and administrative information. Therefore, this module may also relate specifically to the individual company guidelines and legal requirements. Module 2, Pharmacovigilance Activities, addresses the pharmacovigilance operational activities which are required for companies to include through regulations. It is not an exhaustive list, as this may depend on and be specific to the particular agreement or product. Module 3, Cooperation and Support. The quality management system, compliance, record management, governance, business continuity, audits, and inspections. Module 4, Appendices and Annexes, addresses information which could be considered for appendices, although in some instances, some information may be included in one or more of the other modules. Addendums were also created to provide additional information for vaccines, combination products, and termination agreements. Additionally, the first addendum is a listing of all headings and subheadings with hyperlinks to each section, which can help the user to easily navigate to desired content. The table of contents is organized based on the module, the headings, which are in a lighter blue color, and points to consider. Throughout the points to consider, there are multiple hyperlinks that can help you to easily navigate to related content or to the Transcelerate PVA glossary for definitions. Key references are provided as appropriate, but may not be all-inclusive. The purpose of the references is to allow users to easily access additional details regarding specific subjects in the regulations and guidance documents. Finally, as you can see, the table of contents was produced with a visual, color-coded filter for the reader to easily identify the applicable region and life cycle. Let's take a tour of how to access the table of contents. Go to the Transcelerate website. At the top of the screen, next to the Transcelerate logo, click on Our Solutions. Here you will find Transcelerate Strategic Programs. Under Enhanced Drug Safety, click on See All Initiatives and select Pharmacovigilance Agreements Optimization to enter the initiative homepage and solutions. The icons in the middle of the screen can be clicked to access the individual solutions. Access all solutions by clicking the orange Initiative Solution button. A non-interactive circle shows the PVAO solutions. Under this figure, you can click on any of the tabs to access the solutions. The Additional Resources tab provides supportive material for the solutions. Click on the Table of Contents tab to access the solution. Here you can open and download the table of contents for use. For easy navigation in the document, use the bookmark pane or the hyperlinks provided in Addendum 1. In the first example, a company received a PVA that was created by the partner company. The scope of the PVA was for a product that was no longer in development and was marketed in the EU only. The PVA manager that received the PVA for review is not very familiar with the requirements in the EU and is newer to their role. They would like to use a reference to cross-check the partner-generated PVA to confirm the relevant EU-related post-marketing content is included. The reviewer opted to use the table of contents as a source of information to facilitate an efficient and comprehensive review. The reviewer searched the headings and points to consider that had the EU and post-marketing filter applied. As a result, the reviewer felt confident that the PVA addressed the content that was relevant to the agreement. In the second example, a company is seeking to build a comprehensive resource that may help to facilitate greater alignment during PVA negotiation. The company does not have an established PVA template and is looking to augment their internal guidance for development of PVAs. The company decided to review the table of contents as a comprehensive reference and was able to identify areas where their internal PVA guidance could be improved. They were also better positioned to create a PVA template that helped to enhance their internal process efficiency. Initial drafts were more in sync with functional understanding of responsibility, and they found a greater alignment overall with partner expectations in negotiations. In the end, the company felt that these actions positively influenced the negotiation time. Thank you for checking out our table of contents solution. Like all solutions in the Pharmacovigilance Agreement Optimization Initiative, the table of contents is designed to be flexible and has many potential uses that are not captured in this video. We hope this video provided you with useful information about how the table of contents was developed and the ways it can be used. If you have any questions about our initiative and its solutions, feel free to reach out by emailing info@transceleratebiopharminc.com. Any updates or new solutions can always be found on our PV Agreement Optimization Initiative page on the Transcelerate website. Lastly, if you use the table of contents or any other solution, we would love to hear about your experience. You can let us know by visiting our contact page at shareyourimplемentationexperience.com. Good luck with your future PVA developments.